What's up guys, welcome to episode 5 of the Basics series. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple vinaigrette. Let's get into it. Alright, today I'm going to be making a honey lemon vinaigrette, but you can use any vinegar or acidic component that you like. The golden ratio for making any vinaigrette is 3 parts oil to 1 part acid, and you can add any add-ons or flavorings that you like. Typically you'd use a neutral oil like canola or sunflower due to the neutral flavor profile. On the other hand, oils like olive oil and sesame oil have a distinct flavor that you can add for more depth of flavor, but I wouldn't recommend using them as your base as they will overpower the other ingredients in the vinaigrette. You could also use any acid that you'd like when creating a vinaigrette. Here I'm using freshly squeezed lemon juice, but you could use apple cider vinegar, lime juice, orange juice, sherry vinegar, honestly anything you'd like. As long as you follow that 3-to-1 ratio of oil to acid, you'll be good. Before we get started, if you have a hand blender, it's going to make things a lot easier. If you don't have a hand blender, you can use a regular blender, or you can just do it the old-fashioned way by hand with a bowl and a whisk. We're going to begin by adding 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of oil, here I'm using half vegetable and half olive, about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which is going to be our emulsifier. Don't worry, you won't taste this in the end. About a tablespoon of honey to add some sweetness, and about a teaspoon's worth of salt. This is where using a blender is going to come in handy, as our vinaigrette will come together in seconds compared to whisking by hand, which will take a little bit more time. That Dijon mustard that we added before is keeping the vinaigrette together and preventing it from splitting right away. Once everything is well mixed, give it a quick try to see if you need to balance it out with more oil or acid. This was a little on the acidic side, so I'm going to grab some stuff to fix it up really quick. Give me 1 sec. Okay, since this was a little on the sour side, I'm going to add some stuff to fix it up. I'm going to add a little bit more oil, a little bit more salt, and a little bit more honey just to round everything out. Unless you want your vinaigrette to be more acidic or flat, you should always be aiming to make your vinaigrette round, meaning every component is balanced without it being too oily or acidic on your palate. This was much better. I can taste the lemon juice and the honey, but it's not too sour or too sweet. Now that your vinaigrette is finished, you can add it to whatever salad you like. Here I'm putting together a summer salad with arugula, fresh strawberries, and sunflower seeds. Once the greens are well coated in vinaigrette, I like to add a bit of salt and pepper to season the salad as a whole. We're going to give that a quick toss and then move on to plating. I like my salads to have some contrast, so I always like to have some sweet, crunchy, sour, and savory components in them so that when you have them all together, it balances out. I'm going to finish the salad with some seared chicken we made in the last video and a bit more dressing and sunflowers right over the top. And that's how you make a simple vinaigrette and put together a basic salad. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorite salads to make as the dressing works really well with the chicken and the strawberries add just the right amount of sweet tartness to the dish. As usual, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and if not, I'll see you in the next one.